Hello guys, welcome to our channel Explore with Love. In this video, we are going to explore Old Mahabaleshwar, which is 19 km from Panchganga. Link to our Panchganga vlog is in the card above. Do check it out. Arthur's Seat is the farthest point in Mahabaleshwar. We thought of covering it first and then exploring other points while going back to Hotel Malas. Situated at an elevation of 1470 meter above the sea level, it is known as the Queen of all the points. This point is named after Arthur Mallet, who lost his wife and a month-old daughter in a disastrous ferry accident in the Savitri River. After that, he used to sit here staring at the river and wishing for them to come back. This one is a popular tourist destination, and here you can have glimpses of the geographical variance between the Konkan and the Deccan. So after visiting Arthur's Point, we are here at the strawberry farm. So this place is on the way to Panchaganga from Arthur's Point. Let's check this out. Did you know Mahabaleshwar accounts for about 85% of the total strawberry produced in India? Raspberry, mulberry and gooseberry is also produced on a large scale here. Strawberries were brought to the region from Australia during the British colonial rule. Since then, local farmers have developed their own varieties of the fruit. The season lasts between October to November and April to May. They are exported in large quantities to countries like France, Belgium, Malaysia and to the Middle East. The fruit is frozen before it is exported. So sweet. Strawberry is my all-time favorite food. Which one is yours? Now we are at Old Mahabaleshwar, which is also known as Kshetra Mahabaleshwar. This place is 12 kilometers away from Mapro Gardens and it is famous for ancient temples. So starting from Krishnadevi Temple, then Ati Mahabali Temple and Panchaganga Temple. All these temples are situated at a distance of 300 meters from each other. Attribution Temple is located among the group of temples around Mahabaleshwar. It is said that there were two demons, Mahabal and Atibal. To get rid of them, people prayed to Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Vishnu killed Attribution, but Shiv could not kill Mahabal as he was having the boon of willful death. So Brahma sought help of Mahamaya, who allured him of love and enticed him to death with a condition: the gods must reside at that place with the demon's name. He was killed and thus Shiv stayed there in the form of Mahabaleshwar, Vishnu as Attribution and Brahma as Koteshwar. Name of the city is also derived from the demon Mahabal. Just a few steps ahead is Panchaganga Temple, which is constructed at the confluence of 5 rivers: Krishna, Veena, Savitri, Koyna and Gayatri. All the rivers come out from the mouth of a statue of a cow in this temple, thus the place being called Panchaganga Temple. There is a beautiful hidden temple just 5 minutes walk from the Panchaganga Temple. While coming down the stairs through shops near Mahabaleshwar Temple, you may see posters pointing to Krishna River Point towards left. As you head to this lane, after a while it's quite covered with trees on both sides, but don't be scared. Just walk for 4-5 minutes and you'll see this beautiful temple on the left side. The view was really amazing from here. Moreover, there is one thing. The water coming from the mouth of the cow is considered the source of Krishna River. This temple worships gods like Shiva and Krishna. next stop was Madhuban Honey Park. Veena Lake is just a kilometer ahead from this park. Please load the direction on maps beforehand as there is no network available here. Hi guys, now we are at Honey Bee Training Institute, which is in Mahabaleshwar. अगदी 1 किलोमीटरच्या अंतरावर आहे बस स्टँड पासनं आणि पंचगणी पासनं 20 किलोमीटरच्या अंतरावर ही जागा आहे. So this place is famous for number of flavors of honeys and organic honey as well. So today we are here to explore this place and get to know how honey is actually made. तर आपल्यासोबत आज शंकर दादा आहे जे आपल्याला सांगणार कसं मध बनवतात आणि आपल्याला फॅक्टरीमध्येही ते दाखवतील वेगवेगळे इक्विपमेंट्स आणि सगळी प्रोसेस.
आता ही बिल्डिंग दिसते ना, हे ब्रिटिश काळाने बसले. आपण असे पेटे होतो 2000 पेटे आहेत महाबळेश्वरमध्ये. आता एमटीसी म्हणजे राजभवन आहे, तिथे आमचे पेटे असते. अजून बाकी साईडला आपण शेतकऱ्यांना बॉक्स देतो. ते मध आपण स्वतः जायचं इथं ऑर्गॅनिक, आणि इथं केमिकल नाही, इथं काही नाही. इकडं आपण मध घेऊन गोळा करतो.
म्हणजे तुम्ही शेतकऱ्यांना आजूबाजूच्यांना रोजगार देऊन
रोजगार. तिथं 10 दिवसाचं ट्रेनिंग आहे. आता बंद
ट्रेनिंग सुद्धा
मधमाशांचं ट्रेनिंग असतं. मधमाशा कशा पकडायच्या, त्यांना कसं खाद्य, फक्त साखरेचा पाक असतो, त्याच्या माशाला जागा पाहिजे.
ओके, तर तुम्ही जर शेतकरी असाल किंवा तुमचा या बिझनेसमध्ये इंटरेस्ट असेल तर तुम्ही इकडे 10 दिवसाच्या ट्रेनिंगसाठी येऊ शकता. जंगलात जे झाडं उगतात तिकडेच मधमाशा सोडून तिथे मध बनवून ते इथे आणतात. आणि काय करतात तुम्ही? प्रोसेस करतात.
प्रोसेस म्हणजे प्लॅन. ते आता वरनं सील होणार. इथनं सूर्याला असं कट करायचं, त्या मशीनमध्ये टाकून फिरवून एवढंच. एक राणी माशी असते आणि 2 वर्कर क्वीन हे असेच असते.
Madhuban collect honey from registered farmers and beekeepers. They perform various physical and chemical tests in the lab for purity as per the quality parameters. Their laboratory has advanced equipments for testing and processing of honey. Processed honey is then packaged in the glass bottles for sale. So just 2 kilometers away from the Honey Bee Training Institute is Veena Lake. खूपच सुंदर आहे आणि आता ढग पण गडगडाट करत आहे. ढगांचा पण गडगडाट ऐकू येत आहे. खूप सुंदर आणि प्रसन्न वातावरण झालंय. खूप 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 छान वाटतंय. The lake looked spectacular from this point. It was constructed by Shri Appasaheb Maharaj, who was Raja of Satara in 1842. It is surrounded by trees and sand all over. Tourists can enjoy a boat ride over the lake or a horse ride next to the lake. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't and stay tuned for more such amazing travel videos. Also, don't forget to share.